Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
What do you thought? You gonna beat me?
Yeah.
Oh no! I'm going slower! One hit! Well, that's one to me.
Because I didn't realise we were racing.
Of course we're racing.
It's okay, it'll end up being 5-1.
Yeah, we'll see about that. You run me off the track.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm gonna wish I'm gonna wish I was braking.
Ended up being a tie. 3 wins to 3 wins. Both the last races definitely lesson. Lots of dodgy things going on.
I was overtaking. Bailey got overtaken at the very last minute.
Oh my gosh. This is lovely.
Glasses are lovely.
Why? Did you put your mouth in it?
Because I was sitting like this. I feel like my nostrils. Okay.
Now it's time for, where are we?
Mementos.
Corona. Cheers.
Sangria. Fire.
Good update. We are the smartest people ever. Using a second bag. transferred half the rice into one cup and then half the butter to cook the rest of the rice. Look at that view. Not too bad, eh? Uh-oh, dog. Uh-oh.
Okay, it's really tricky. I got a red wine and it's really good. I would rate it a 7.
7? Okay. I've got the recruitment and I'd probably give it a solid 8 actually. Really good. Yeah. Little black one. Actually nice vibe. Yeah.
No, it's nice too.
Okay, so day 2. Plan of attack for today. Yeah, yummy breakfast.
My thoughts for the morning. It's a lovely day and I'm really excited for something to eat. And it's my favourite cafe that we went to last time, so even better.
And what, not a better view?
No.
Oh no. It's over here. Watch the ice. It's been about 3 years since we've been here in Queenstown. It's absolutely freezing. We're here a little bit earlier in the season than we were last time. Last time we came was just after the school holidays. But this time, I don't know, we're not getting as much snow, but far out it is just absolutely freezing cold.
I'm feeling sore. Perfect day. Sun is shining. I'm shining. Great conditions.
Only a little bit rainy.
I'm thinking I'm cold.
It is.
No, I'm excited to welcome Slava.
Yes.
Average speed will be like 8 k's.
We'll get, no, the average speed will come from like the chairlift on the way out. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll stand at the pole, push off my hand.
It is our final run, probably, of the day. That's all. Hey guys, snow report. There's no snow. Really cold. The chairlift I hate's open and nothing else is open.
Hey look, at least we've never seen this place so quiet before.
Really good reason. There's no snow.
I haven't seen a single person come down a run yet.
Not the contract. There's no snow on half the track. Can't even make it to the ice park. So nervous.
It's snowing! Woo! Look at this, look at this.
Must stop.
It's raining. It's our last day of snowboarding. We left a bit early and glad we did. It started raining. Now we're going to take our gear back, getting soaked.
very refreshed after our sauna ice bath.
Yeah.
And also really cold because it's really cold in case you didn't know. So yeah.
Oh my god, it is unbelievably cold.
If I don't get an LSKD sponsorship after this, I'm suing.
Oh, okay. Cool scenery. It's the best place I've ever run. It's unreal. Go, go, go. Oh, yeah. It's freezing. Give me that. I want that.
That looks really good. I'm gonna eat this whole thing. That looks really good. I'm gonna take a bite. I'm joking. Give me that. Look over there.